Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Hey traders! Oh, you know who it is. It's John Howell here. Welcome everybody. If you guys don't know who I am, I'm the crazy man who just loves my trading. Been trading for 16 years, lost a lot of money at the start, first 5 years. Thankfully the last 10 years I made a lot more back. Been doing it for full time. Let's get straight in the markets. Guys, gold and silver. Oh my goodness. It's like, I am just so excited right now, guys. Gold and silver mining stocks right now. I'll be focusing on the mining stocks. John, focus. Right. We're focusing on the mining stocks right now, guys. And what I'm seeing in these markets is getting really exciting, guys. Oh my goodness. I tell you right now, guys, there are so many amazing opportunities that are happening underneath our feet right now. And guys, if you haven't got a coach or if you haven't got someone, just go get the coaching, go get some help to help you stay focused. Okay. Don't be focused. Don't be a jack of all, be a master of few, right? That's what I do. I just focus on a few amazing patterns and it's just incredible. Absolutely incredible, right? Again, if you want to learn from me, there should be a link in the description. Go join my next free training I'm going to run. I'll share with you how I trade the markets and how I scan the markets and what sort of setups I look for in the mindset and emotional and, you know, and what I did from losing money to making money and all that sort of stuff, right? So just use that link in the description. But just go get the help. Right now is not the time, guys, to muck around. Because right now, we're about to see a crazy third and fourth quarter of this year. And it's going to be absolutely nuts. It's going to be absolute nuts. So, and you need to be prepared on how to identify good opportunities and what they look for. Again, if it's, you know, just go get the help. If you would like to see how I do it, just first thing in the description, go click on that. Go join my next free training. I'll share with you everything. Anyway, look at the gold and mining stocks. Guys, I'll tell you about gold mining stocks and the silver mining stocks. Just crazy moves, I believe, ensue for that. So the big picture, especially on the GDXJ, oh my goodness, guys. It's just, look at this here. If I look at the GDXJ and I draw my little triangle pattern here, this is one amazing, powerful pattern that says we are about to take on, or we may be now starting the first stages of an explosion in the GDXJ, that is, right? I'll share with you, I have a mining stock as well too, so I'll share with you the one mining stock I actually do have in my portfolio. But the GDXJ, this is developing and we're about to see, guys, oh my goodness, this has amazing opportunity of seeing some significant and massive moves moving forward. What we're looking at here is this. Look at this here. When the market does nothing like this, we're resting, right? We're asleep. Not much is going on. Having a resting phase. Snoozy, right? And then we wake up. Look at this here. We broke up to a higher high. Now we're developing this higher low. This amazing pattern is incredible because not only do we have a lot of fuel here because we have rested a lot, but now the horse is now starting to wake up, right? You know the horse, right? They've had a good rest and they stand up and they start to wake themselves up, and then they might stand there for a little bit as the guy pats them down, breaks them down. They might eat some food, you know, and the horse is starting to, you know, warm up a little. Maybe he starts to warm up and gets here. And once the horsey gets above $7, here we go. All right, and it's that's off. And now you're in one of the top horsey races, and you're coming number one, right? And you know what number one gets, right? The big trophy. You know what the big trophy is in GDXJ? That's right. That good ROI. Was it RIO? Return on, no, ROI. I'm only joking with you guys. I'm having a whole bunch of fun here. Oh God, there's so many amazing opportunities. So guys, on the GDXJ, if we pull back through here and then we start to get break above $70, it's a powerful. Why? Because the buyers, we know simple trend analysis, right? If you don't know a simple trend analysis, is that if the market's doing this, guess what? Who's in control? No one, right? The market's just going sideways. But what happens if the market then starts to break up, makes a higher low, breaks past previous highs? Hang on a minute. Buyers are now in control. Very simple stuff. Higher lows, higher highs. An uptrend. Oh yeah, I've heard that before, John. You know, tell me something new. Well, what's happening right now? We're from no one in control to low to now making a higher low. Now what we need for it to confirm the buyers are in control is we need to see a $70 print, a breaking above this high. If we can get this low and a higher high and a higher low, breaking past these highs, now the buyers are in control, and therefore we should see, I reckon about a 12 month, maybe even 2 year bull market explosion in the GDXJ. Just absolutely just crazy. Now that's obviously on the big picture here, guys. On that absolute short-term picture here, we're seeing a breakout of the triangle pattern, as you can see here. So we're seeing a breakout of the triangle pattern, and now we're also seeing a bit of a on a short-term basis, on a short-term basis on the GDXJ, guys. We're seeing a nice, beautiful break out of this downward phase, and now we're getting like a bit of a sort of flat sort of movement through here, a lot of resistance. So if we can get a nice little break up, we're about to see some nice movement here. That's the same for the GDX as well too. Look at this here. Beautiful, beautiful. There's major resistance up there around that $44 level, and maybe even up there, maybe that sort of $45 level there. So looking at the short term here, guys, once again, look at the short term on the GDX here. If we get a nice little break up here, something like this, guys, like that, and get a nice good volume behind it, then that's going to tell us we're likely to start to see we're probably likely to see another nice move to the upside. And actually, let's have a look at this here. I just noticed something. So I can see that we did, for the last leg here was, what was that? That was, I'm just listening to this here. So the last leg we did 23 days, 16 bars. You know, let's actually take this off the screen here so I can just measure this. From the low to the high, it was 22 days, 15 bars, 16%. From the low to the high, it was 17 bars, 11 bars, 16%. Isn't that interesting? So we actually, from here to here, was, see my little box at the top right there, see it says 16%. From the low to the high, this last up leg was what? 16%. If I have a look at the drop here was 8%. The drop here was 7%. So the pullback here was 7%. Then we had a rise of 16%. And then we had a pullback here of 7%. And then we had from a high to low, we had a 16%. And now we're actually just slightly going sideways. So if we get another breakout, are we about to go for another 16% move? And if so, where is that? Oh my goodness. Another 16% move, which is just what it did here, 16%. It did here, 16%. Are we about to see another 16% move? And if so, the 16% move is roughly around about the high point up here. Now, isn't that cool? Oh my goodness. I just noticed this. Oh, I'm just doing this on the fly right now. But we're also seeing similar things happening with the SILJ and also SL. So I believe this looks like we're about to see some nice moves here, guys, real soon. Now, the mining stock that I'm in is EXK. EXK. And this is the mining stock that I'm in. Look at this this is the weekly charts here. I've been in this now for quite some time. I wouldn't be buying it now because you're buying high. I never buy high, I buy low. So I bought down here and now I'm holding it. And we're starting to see some really nice moves on this EXK position. So we're about to see some fireworks, right? Fireworks across these markets. So guys, there's so many amazing opportunities. Once again, guys, if it's me, you want my help, use that link in the description. If it's not me, and you know this guy's an idiot, I don't know who he is. I tell you, I'll teach you exactly what you need to know. But if it's not me, guys, go find someone and a system that you believe in and go deep. Don't be jack of all, go deep, because there's so many amazing opportunities. And what's happening right now in the gold mining stocks, oh my goodness. Once we start to see things heat up, it's going to be crazy and it's going to be on like Donkey Kong. Hey traders, John Howell here. I want you to join my next webinar where you will learn all about trading. You want to learn about trading, right? So come down and join my trading webinar and you're going to learn about trading. On this webinar, you're going to be learning the secret number one. This is the one thing that all successful traders know and do that took me from $250,000 in debt to making a full-time income from trading, and why most traders suck and lose money. If you're losing money right now, you don't know why. Secret number one, you're going to learn exactly why and what to do about it. Secret number two, I'm going to teach you all the details and all the steps to my most powerful trading system on the planet for the last 16 years that gets over a 90% success rate. Wait until you see the system. It's simple. I'm going to break it all down. You're going to learn all the steps. And the beauty is that this works on any market. Stocks, futures, cryptos, options, metals, miners, any market out there. In fact, I'm going to share with you dozens of examples of how it's worked on silver, gold, some of the crypto stocks, using options as well too. Any market out there. You're going to absolutely love this. Wait till you see it. I'm going to break it all down. And also, secret number 3, I'm going to share with you not only my amazing trading system, but I'm going to show you my amazing and awesome scanning tool that scans over 3,000 markets, stocks, whatever market you want to find the most powerful trades in 30 seconds or less every day. Using this amazing scanning tool allows me to have all my trading done in 30 minutes or less. Once I go through all the stocks and find the trades, boom. And the best thing about this is, guess what? I trade for freedom. When I started trading, I wanted freedom. And not only do I have an amazing, powerful trading system, but now I also have an awesome scanning tool that allows me to find these trades as well too. I'm going to share with you exactly what that is on this webinar. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnslivetraining.com, johnslivetraining.com, or there should be a link around the description. I'm around this page. Go click on the buttons. Click. Join me. I'm so excited to see you on my next webinar. I'm going to share with you all the details. If you're losing money and you're not sure why and you're stuck, secret number 1's for you. If you're looking for an amazing trading system, secret number 2 is for you. And also secret number 3, how I can take my trading, have it done in 60 minutes a day so I can go and enjoy my life and have freedom in my life as well. Go to johnslivetraining.com for my free webinar and I'll speak to you real soon.